Welcome to the live session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Traders, last day of trading week, Friday, a very important trading day, as well as you can see last day is very important. We will see increased volatility in this day as a last day, and you can see that the analysis that I made early today on gold also looks like that the market is playing out. We will be looking for entry once we find suitable opportunity. This is a very important session as last day of trading week. If you are passionate about trading, learning and growing, so make sure that you stick till the end of this live session so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel, press that notification bell so that you are not missing any notification that as soon as I am posting anything in the channel. Don't hesitate to ask any question using the live chat. You can say yes in the live chat so that I know that everyone is present in the live chat for another big trading day. There will be quite a few high impact news coming and expecting some instrument to give us a potential entry, including the euro dollar. We are already on a short trade on euro dollar, and I think that we might see potential downside on euro dollar. Along with, we see that gold the other way around. We can see that after break of this low, as expected, gold made another bounce to the upside, and we can expect also potential entry on gold. As there will be dollar CAD news coming. Also, we'll be looking at dollar CAD, expecting to give us a very good movement in the market. So looking at the 1 hour chart on gold, this is an uptrending market. Now you can see that this is an uptrending market on gold, and after break of this low, I think this 1 hour candle was a pure potential liquidity grab, and it started to bounce back to the upside. So if we, this is the 1 hour price action, and there is an order block here. I will be waiting for a break of structure on gold for potential entry, and expecting if it breaks below, then we can expect another bounce back to the upside for at least 30, 40, even 50 pip or more to the upside. So we'll be waiting for a break of structure here. This is the 1 minute chart on gold, and once it breaks below, we can look for this is the 15 minutes candle that you can see just have closed with a bullish engulfer. So if it managed to break below this structure, we will be placing potential pending order. I think we might see even potential bounce here. If we see that, yeah, we can see that this is a bullish market at the moment. So we'll be waiting for gold to come down for another drop, and then we will be looking for entry as soon as we will find the setup. Are you guys ready for a big trading day? You can write on the live chat. I appreciate if you guys can hear me. I hope that the sound is going well, all sides. Thank you. Well, Island, Anthony, Rose, good afternoon. Thank you very much. Can you please look at Gbpusd from the Netherlands? Welcome. Thanks for joining. Look at JPY. Yeah, we'll be looking at that. So why do you look too much on gold while other peers maybe even giving entry? You guys can advise on the live chat. We do look at all the pairs: GBP, JPY, dollar yen, euro dollar. Currently I am looking at also the euro dollar. Euro dollar is trending. We had a trade also on euro dollar, so I don't want to hop on too many pairs, but then at the same time not too little pairs. So you see that the pairs that trends, I normally try to focus on those. We see GBP JPY currently starting to trend, and GBPJPY also may bounce with the, if you look at the daily chart on GJ, we can see that after this doji formation on the daily, which is basically a liquidity candle here on the daily yesterday, followed by today, we saw that from here there is a complete bounce. So GJ may bounce up, so you could see potential bounce on GBPJPY. So we have seen quite a few days of consolidation. Currently we saw a breakdown, which is a liquidity gap, which giving a possibility for GBPJPY to break to the upside. Okay, so like other instrument, GJ also is in an uptrend at the moment on the lower time frame, like gold, and we saw that gold managed to bounce, guys. You can see that after forming a 1 minute liquidity candle, it just has got a bounce. So don't give out an entry. Okay, and the way it's heading, it didn't give us that entry, but we will be looking to see after pullback. Okay, so you can see that there is a very strong bounce, and at the same time, as I mentioned, we will be waiting for this pullback, and then we will be looking for bullish entry. In the meantime, traders, I see the likes are very disproportional with the view. So if you guys smash it, will be helpful. Let me know if you have any question. David Down, welcome. Hello, good morning. Good day. Dollar Yen. Lead from Dubai. Mahul, welcome. Good day. Uganda joining the live chat. Welcome. Thank you. Coach, I buy gold from 2515. Should I hold or take profit now? This is a very difficult question to answer, because you have to make a decision of your trade. If I'm opening, I might share what I'm doing. Coach, I buy gold. Okay. US30. Good morning, everybody. Greetings. Till what level GJ go up? I think infinite, it's an uptrend. If GBPJPY managed to bounce, the way you can see, it's a very narrow consolidation here. So because there is a monthly close coming, you can see this is the monthly close, and if this monthly candle closing as a narrow doji like that, it is possible for GBPJPY to have a bounce here, which might lead the price going back to the upside. Well, we can see weekly also a bounce. So GBPJPY from the weekly, at least we can expect it to go back up to test any of this level. So the upside bias is higher, and if you look at here, you can see there is a series of higher low. These are the key points, as a trader must note down. So when you see that series of higher low, and then there is a resistance, the market is putting pressure on that resistance. This is a sign that the market may break above. I will be also discussing the logic and philosophy behind it. Let me look at again on gold. We'll keep eye on both of these instrument. Okay, so gold is after bounce from this gap area. We have seen that there is a 1 minute price action. There is a liquidity candle bounce, and again has got a rejection. Thank you. Okay, so here let's keep eye on gold, what's happening. Some of the areas that you will be looking for entry. Do you think that gold is gonna It is also forming a kind of head and shoulder, but I'm not fully entertained with the fact that it's gonna completely be bearish. The reason I will be also explaining. And today's news also very important, because after the news also there will be, and this is the end, right? So today is the last day. Monthly close, weekly close, daily close, 1 minute, 5 minutes, all the candle close, and it's darkness. So there will be new candle coming on Monday. So with the new monthly move, we could see that the market take a new momentum, and because of that reason we could see increased volatility in NY session. We will be covering that all along the way. We might even go for an extended session today, like the one that we did past week, past the day before, for better trading opportunities. So you can see gold is moving back up. Are you guys ready for an extended session? Thank you. I'm glad to be with you here. I'm glad to be with you here as well. Hello, coach. Following from Botswana. Welcome. Which broker you are using? So the broker I'm using, you can find link below this video. Also, I have shared with you. I think there is a link given in the live chat. Let me share with you that one as well. So there's a 50% bonus available for you depending on your geo. So you can use that. I am sharing with you the link in the live chat as well. You can click that link and then register, start trading. Okay, so here what we can see, this is the 1 minute chart, and let's draw the order block as well. So this is an order block, and because this is an order block, okay, so we saw that there was an inverted head and shoulder, bounce, pullback, bounce. So with that bounce there's an order block. With that order block, we, I want to see the market has even retested that order block, which we may see, may not see. But if it is coming here to the order block again, very good opportunity to go long again. But if it doesn't come, if the trend is very strong, then we might see, without coming back to the order block, it's moving back to this level here. I hope that you guys enjoying the live session. Make sure you ask question and also join the free Telegram channel. You can find link below this video. In addition to that, don't hesitate to visit the website as well. You can find link below this video. There's a lot to take from here, along with many other tools, strategies available for you to grow as a trader. Still, it may not be enough until you develop a very strong trading psychology, which is the less emphasized topic but mostly needed. So let me ask you a question here. Let me see how many of you believe. So do you think that I have a sometimes spelling dyslexia psychology. Do you think that you have a sound trading psychology? This is the question. Post it on the live chat. Appreciate if you comment on it. Either what do you think about your trading psychology? Because questioning will always give some insight on what to do with the current. Because what is your opinion about September? Because it is a red month for gold. How much percent can gold go down? So you are thinking that What is the opinion about September? Because it is the red month for gold. How much percent gold? Why do you think that it's a red month for gold? That's a question, right? So what's your logic behind thinking that? So asking question will always help you to look at from a different angle. Okay, now we can see that here 1 minute chart, which we are expecting it to drop back to the support. If it does, then we will be able to see um, this is the 30-minute chart, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. Okay, this is the 1 minute. Want to see that potential is dropping back to the order block. I'm keeping eye on 1 minute, 30 minutes, and also 5 minutes. This is with the gold. How about GBP, JPY? GBP JPY is in a bullish momentum, which you can see that this market is moving with a strong momentum. GJ daily as well. So which is basically you can see this is the 30 minutes price action on GBP JPY. There is a pin bar here, so which is a very strong pin bar, and that pin bar, if you look at here, you can see this is a pin bar and then bullish candle. So we may see that GBP JPY is trending. Okay, we can see that a bounce, pullback, bounce, pullback. The market is forming series of higher high and higher low. So the way GBP JPY is evolving, we may see a potential breakout that on the lower time frame, which might be very potential move, because this market was consolidating for very long time. It deserved a breakout. But you can see this, if you look at the 1 hour chart, you can see this is a full green move. I'll be happy to see at least one candle has tested the support with the news probably, and then to bounce back to the upside again. So this one also I'll be waiting for a local breakdown. As you can see, it's respecting this pin bar and expecting it to bounce back to the upside. So we'll be coming back to it once we see the market has made significant movement. And again, coming back to gold, 1 minute chart, it's here a little bit choppy. Yeah, gold locally expecting it to drop. There is a chance for gold to be bullish very nicely. We'll be waiting for this break below, and then we can look for entry. Patience is very important to be profitable as a trader. I believe that you guys also agree with that. Why shouldn't we be patient? In fact, isn't it? Morning, welcome. If history repeats itself, this will be a red month. Okay. This is why I asked this question. Of course, nothing 100% certain. Okay, so yeah, there are, we all make judgment based on the past data. But if we look at gold from the monthly perspective, so which is finishing today, August. Okay, and the price action is still bullish from the technical perspective. It's still bullish, and you can see this is the weekly candle. Now, because this weekly candle didn't have much volatility, and today is the last day, we might see in the end of the, at the end of the NY session or during the NY session, we might see that there is with the news especially, we may see even a potential breakout. Now, it is not impossible to see that also gold to be bearish from here, if, as I mentioned, with the new monthly open, if the price failed to break this high, we might see, if it reverse, then it may drop back to the previous monthly low, which is for me less likely but not impossible. So at the moment, with the short term, as a short term trader, I will be more focused on looking to see that, you see, this is the support that I have drawn. This is the 15-minute chart on gold. If the news is bringing this price below this level, there is a chance for going up. So any break of structure will give us that potential trading opportunity. I believe that you guys have understood what I have explained. If you don't, you can ask questions. Euro, welcome. We will be looking at that. Time to sweet spot on. Okay. I also foresee a massive sell-off next month. Euro coach, hello coach. Thank you very much. Appreciate. Welcome. Thank you. Well, you also foresee sell-off next month. Also, we need to see why. Okay, as a human being, we are very, very emotional being, isn't it? This is a very normal to become very emotional. Well, you can see the euro dollar is what's happening here. It's bouncing back to the upside. From the daily. Okay. I'd like to wait here to see what's happening. Going back to gold and Gbpusd. So GJ looks trending. Okay. We'll keep eye on Gbpusd and gold. Okay, so 1 minute on gold, we can see that the market, it's in an uptrend. Always looking at very beginner mindset is very important to see that whenever I look at the chart, I again look at over and over again to understand, because there's a chance of becoming a little bit of confused because of the market condition changes. So going to the point is that we human beings are very emotional, right? And most of our decision comes from the place of emotion. That is why becoming a trader sometimes become hard, is because of that reason. Many decisions that we make based on emotion in our personal life sometimes works well, while in trading it doesn't. So that's why need to be very, very reflective when making the trading decision. That's where come to developing a very strong trading psychology, because there is a term called the confirmation bias. So the confirmation bias is, you'll see that, imagine that you need to do some kind of thought experiment, then it will be easy for you to understand. Imagine that you want to go long on gold. somehow, or any instrument, and suddenly your best friend, you had a chat with your best friend, a long conversation, and your best friend strongly believe that it's gonna go down. Now you got confused. That is called the confirmation bias, because you believe that it's gonna go up, but why your best friend believe it will go down? Now you need to believe in your best friend rather than believing in yourself, which happens sometime. And that's where it comes down to having a confirmation bias. Then you just close your trade, short, long trade quickly, to open another one, short, double lot, just to see that actually the price has gone up. So this happens, and not only from best friend, but it can come from any source, from news, from Forex Wizard, from from anyone. So therefore, it is important that always when you are um, analyzing, you need to cross check with the emotional component as well as the actual fact, and then eliminate why, especially um, when you are opening position, you need to be fully understand that, you need to understand that exactly why you are opening that position. And you can see having a strategy is always helpful. Now you can see that this is also one of my best tool that I use, because this one helps me to eliminate um, confirmation bias. When I see that, I have seen the price action here, which is the liquidity candle formation, one of my best trading strategy that I use. And at the same time, if it isn't there, I might start to think it's a shooting star. We might see the prices going up. What my strategy tells that, to understand it, when I see cross check with this tool with the liquidity candle, I know that okay, I'm not being emotionally blind in this area to take this trade. So that's where become easy to have any kind of a probe and back tested strategy is very important, especially in trading. Let me know if you have any probe and back tested strategy, and then you can have more ideas of how to um, develop a very strong trading psychology and use those to become a consistently profitable trader. I see that traders views are increasing, but likes is still not there. I would appreciate if you smash the like button, and also if you haven't subscribed yet, you can do so. You can find the link below this video. Also, for more education, there's a free trading course available for all of you to learn and grow as a trader. I will be sharing with you. Just need to find the link to that trading course. I think you can find this on the website as well. So if you visit the website, link below this video, and scroll down where you can find free A to Z trading course as well as ebook as well. You can download that for free once you are on the website. Any question, also don't hesitate to ask. In addition, you can also join a free Telegram channel, also link below this video, where you can find daily a lot of updates and education that I'm posting in the channel. Also, it's readily available for you there. So you can see gold, and here gold is dropping back below, which is expecting to come back to the order block here. See how far. This is the 1 hour chart, and dropping below to the order block is, for me, will give us an opportunity for potentially bullish. Let's see if there is any place that we can look for entry. This is the 1 minute chart. I would like to see it's dropping a bit downside here. This is the 1 hour chart, and there's a 1 hour 20 EMA in this area. Okay. So here what I'm expecting on gold is, you can see there's a double top, and with the double top, so I would like to place a buy stop, not buy market, so buy stop, so pending order. Guys, make sure that you are going in the same way. So you'll be placing buy stop here. I will be explaining later why I'm putting that buy stop, and stop loss will be below this low. So buy stop will be here. So there will be almost 26 pips stop loss. And if we look at the 1 hour chart, yeah, so the TP target, we will be keeping it at, want to take 41 pip. Profit target TP1, later we can increase if needed. So it's a buy stop. Buy stop at 2520.544. I know there's the news coming, so if it doesn't trigger, then we'll be waiting for the news. But at the moment, if it triggers, expecting it to bounce, so there will be around 26 pip stop loss. So I'll delete all these lines, so you know exactly which one is the stop loss. So the stop loss is 2517.91. And take profit is now. If it only bounce, then we will be entering. At the moment, we see that there is a 1 hour candle close coming, and with that candle close, expecting it to bounce. So if it is bouncing, then we will be entering the trade. So we saw a potential liquidity grab. This is the 1 minute chart. 2 liquidity candle formation potentially. So again, it is a buy stop at 2520.544. Stop loss at 2517.91. TP1, or you can put it at the final TP at 2524.59. If it bounce, then we will be entering with the candle close. If this trade not triggering at least before 10 minutes of the news, we will be closing the pending order and we will be waiting for another entry. I strongly believe that, guys and girls, you are enjoying this live session. Make sure you give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. Also, I do share regular analysis every single day. You can find also the link where you can first you can subscribe to the channel and then go to the playlist where every single day I post analysis will help you to grow as a trader. And also I would recommend you to watch the live session every single day. There is a lot of educational content that will help you to grow as a trader. Ready? So let's see if it is bouncing, which expecting, or dropping back to the support. If it drops here, then we will be readjusting the entry order. Expecting it to bounce. If you're waiting for that entry. People drive without driving license. Crashing with my studio. Come on. Okay, so now here what you can see, after breaking again, coming down, so it's still in a downtrend. Our buy stop above this level where we are expecting to break above and then to go back to the upside. So let's see what happened. So euro dollar has managed to break again. I think euro dollar may remain downside. If you look at the 1 minute, there's a long week. For me, I'm still biased to the downside on euro dollar. And while we can see that gold is here, it's in a downside. Our entry above this level, we'll see what happens. We need strong volatility. As the news coming, we can expect that volatility. Okay, there's a narrow pin bar. I think this price action for me is potentially forming bullish. Potentially our entry above this high. So if it breaks out, then we'll be on the trade. Otherwise, no. Which is a too dodgy formation on the 1 minute. Thank you for joining the live session, guys. If you're enjoying the live session, make sure you're smashing the like button. If you're not enjoying, also you can give a thumbs up. That will help us to improve more. And also your algorithm likes it. So once you like it, it becomes much likable to everyone. So we are focusing on GBP, JPY or gold, both of them. GJ, it's very aggressively bullish at the moment. We see that a very strong trend on GBP JPY, but I'm looking at both to see which one is giving the best entry. GBP JPY, you can see this is a overextended bullish market, so therefore we need to see proper pullback. We have seen that there was a breakdown and then formed that inverted head and shoulder trending. I think GJ may set for bigger move. So yeah, if it is coming down, we will be looking for entry. Gold is currently in this area is a little bit of choppy. Also euro dollar trending, we'll be looking at to see. Yes. Yes, you're right. 90% of our decision based on our emotion and feeling, which is connected to fear or enthusiasm. Yeah, that's what it becomes very hard for becoming a good trader. Is because of the emotion. And why this? Because our brain, the decision comes from our frontal lobe, right? So if you look at our brain, this frontal lobe is newer brain, right? So which is basically, I think, maybe 10,000, 40,000 years. I can't exactly remember, but this is the newer brain. Now, this is the millions, the midbrain, the amygdala, which is the reptilian brain, which is the brain that is developed for millions of years, right? And before this one developing, this is the analytical mind or the thinking brain. We used to just like what we see on animal, like animalistic brain, right? So everything based on emotion. And we think that we understand everything, but if you analyze our life, let's say now we are how old are you? Maybe 20, 40, 50, 60. Let's say you're 60. I'm going to higher range, 60 years. So if you compare 60 years with, let's say, 60 million years or even more, then what do you see? That this life is like a dot in the whole length of the development. But the information is being also influenced from those emotion coming. Say, imagine that 10,000 years ago, or maybe 5,000 years ago, our ancestors living in the cave, and there is a snake or tiger or lion has come, and the brain suddenly turned into fight and flight response because it's a survival. This is the main job of the brain, is to protect you from any danger. So you just turn into fight and flight response. Then the brain cannot think anything logically. It only just either fight or run away. Now, in modern life, we don't have the fear of lion, tiger, right? But still, the brain respond in the same way. And that's why you'll see that these days, it is very difficult these days because of many other factors. So our brain also run in fight and flight response, and it is very, very common in trading. Why? Because trading involves high emotion. It takes a lot of emotion to handle trading. There is another reason, is because it's liquidity, right? It's the money coming with trading going up and down, and that's a very highly emotional. And when it comes down to the emotional, the brain suddenly turn into fight and flight response, which is it switch to the emotional brain. And in that situation, how can you make a rational and logical decision despite you have to make a big decision of your trade? To do that, what you need? More and more exposure and experience. Imagine that some of you may be afraid of height. I had some when I was very young. So imagine that, let's say you are here, it's 1 meter, okay, not very long, and you need to jump from here to the ground, and you are afraid of height. Why you don't want to jump? Because your brain basically creating an emotion of fear that if you jump from here, then it's gonna be risky for you. It's a fight and flight response, right? That don't do that, it's risk. But if you consciously choose to do that, then what will happen? Once you jump from here, then the brain will change that language because of the experience. And you say, I don't think that's so. I thought that is very risky, but it doesn't risky. It didn't happen. I just jumped. So then you go again and you do it again. And that's why you'll see that the things that people fear, when they face it, they almost become addicted to it, doing over and over again. And they do it more and more and then become very good at it. But it doesn't mean that you just open one after trade the other, but is that the experience that you need to give your brain that it's okay, you can do it, and over time you become very good at it. And that's why it is important that you give yourself some time. It's not the one day job. Becoming a trader, be patient, always watch the live session a lot. That will also give you a lot of educational ideas and also exposure. I hope that, guys and girls, you are enjoying the live session. Make sure you give a thumbs up if you're enjoying. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Okay, so you see the market started to bounce on gold, and wanting to see that it's hitting that entry, it will still be on that area. Okay, we might see now a bounce. So you have 20 minutes to go for the news to come up. Okay, I'm got triggered. My trade is on gold, active. Let's catch some peep, and then we'll be re-entering again once we get the peep. Currently I'm running in. So gold active at the moment. Gold buy is active. We'll be looking to see, while we can see that euro dollar is just at the it's not moving anywhere. We can keep eye on gold. See that 1 minute chart. Okay, so let's get some peep here. Sometimes I have a very difficult to pronounce some word. What you can see here. Okay, we can see that the market had a bounce, expecting it to move back to the upside, and you can see that it's moving up to the wanting to see that it's heading to the upside. So you got triggered here, and I don't want to see that it's breaking below, but if it could be. So make sure, guys and girls, you do proper risk management, which is very important. Thank you. So buy stop is active and wanting to see bouncing back to the upside. You can see bounce on gold. Wanting to move back to the upside. Okay, we can see bounce and some people running on here. Holding it. Okay, here what you can see in this area, expecting it to go up to fill that wick here. Awesome, thank you. You're earning some profit here. Okay, you see the bounce. Okay, running in profit. How many pip? Why are you so happy? We know that it's profit running. Don't be so happy. First, let it go up, and then we will be looking to manage the trade. So bullish price action, I'm still holding it. You guys smash the like button. If you guys do that, okay, so you see there is another bounce, and that bounce you want to see that is heading towards the upside. Thank you for joining the live session, and also for more education, trade ideas, updates, you can find link below this video for the free Telegram channel. You can use that link to get access to everything that I'm posting every day. Now here is I don't want to see that getting back again, which may do, but very few pp yet, not much, only 14. We need to see one more bounce before we take any profit. Too early to take. Okay, we see that some improvement, which is good for us. Again, rejection. And as in 10 minutes there is a news coming, guys, and we don't afford to take the spike. What's happening? It just has brought back to the support. Holding it yet. So it has broken this liquidity candle on the 1 minute. So we can expect it to bounce back up further again. Okay, this is good. This is good. There is a long wick candle. This one for me is potential bullish, so we can expect bounce again. This break was good that it grabbed some liquidity, unless it's breaking again in the direction. So we still have 9 minutes to go for the news, and if the news is spike taking us to the TP, full TP, which is good for us, I think we can expect bounce. I'm holding it. Are you guys with me? Thank you. Okay, we see improvement. Almost there. Holding it, we might get a TP hit directly, so which will give us almost 3840 pip. Nearly there. Holding it for full TP hit. So you are running around 29 pip, more than 1%. Thank you for joining the live session, traders. Absolutely appreciate your support. And we are almost 2930 pip profit, running 2930 pip profit, and I would like to take the profit right now. News coming, and I have closed the profit right now, 30 pip. Though it might hit the TP, I don't want to experience the spike before the. So you have secured 30 pip on gold, and we will be again re-entering another one. Make sure, guys and girls, as soon as we will find that, we will be re-entering. You stick till the end. Also, there is a giveaway. There will be one giveaway to the liquidity candle, one of my favorite trading strategy. Also one lifetime access with that coming for you to join the academy in the giveaway. So the giveaway will be at the end of this live session with a so make sure you stick till the end for entering into the competition for the giveaway. We also have more to learn from here. The only thing, guys, make sure you stay fully patient and let me know your feedback. Also, any question, don't hesitate to ask. And may I give confirmation for buying Gbpusd? And I would like to get confirmation. I can't give you confirmation about Gbpusd. You have to think about it. So I'm sorry. How much do you trade on gold, on the gold trigger? So we have traded gold trigger, yeah, euro dollar, science class, yeah. All. Can anyone help with entries for gold, please? So you have gold, we have secured profit. We will be looking for another possible trade. Thank you, Rose, welcome. And I'm late to. Do you have active trade? We just had secured gold trade, and we will be re-entering again another one as soon as we will find that. And there's a news coming in 4 minutes. It's gonna be big one, and then we will be looking for potential entry again. And by the way, also before the news, it's a very oops, hope that it's going well. Also, you can find all the link below this video in the description for anything that you think will be helpful to you, along with the broker that I'm using. Also, I have shared with you in the live chat the link with the bonus link depending on where you are, and you can click that link, register, and then you can start trading. So you can see that gold is still showing bullish. Now the news coming Okay, we will see. If you guys and girls sees my analysis on YouTube, in fact, the market is almost going in the similar fashion. So you saw that from the 1 hour breakdown, and then the market managed to bounce to the resistance line. So you can see here now news spike in 3 minutes. So basically that spike might give us further entry opportunity. Okay, you can see gold is still bullish, and we'll be waiting for the news to come up and then re-entering. No, Euro USD is still near our entry. Euro USD, I think with the news, let's see what happened. We'll see that. If it spiked down, we will be also closing in profit. But at the moment, let's focus on this one, on gold. And what we can see here, it's pretty strongly bullish. Thank you. Okay, so from the entry, it start to drop. News coming up. I think it been published. We can see that bounce. See the calendar. How the market reacted to the news. It's important. So CAD forecast. So I think CAD got a bit downside, but dollar data is unchanged. So how did that impact it? So okay, we are out on the trade. Let's delete that here, and then so because of the we are exited on the trade. Now let's see what's happening with the gold. Let me delete all those lines to refreshly look at, while we see that euro dollar is also in a sideways. Gbpusd showing a very strong bullish price action. We might see trend continuation on GJ. We'll see that gold is okay. We can see that gold 1 minute chart. Okay, so now this is the 1 minute. pardon me, 1 hour. And if we draw this support in this area, so if we look at the 5 minutes, this is the 5 minutes liquidity candle on gold, and the market is breaking below. Be another opportunity potentially. So because it's weekend, and today is very important day because there's a monthly close, weekly close, and also the last day of the month. So let me look at overall from the weekly perspective as well. Look at the daily here. Very important support on the daily 4 hour. I just look at all the time frames, which helps us to understand in relation to the higher time frame where the price is. It's very important, that guys, that's why our trade is so we are so successful on that. So if we look at this one here, so gold, we have been 129 pip. Okay, so now looking at here, what we can see, it's dropping to the, you can see below this liquidity zone. So that might give a potential for another bounce. And at the moment, let's see how far it is trying to drop from the 5 minutes. If we look at, it's a complete below this support. Let's keep an eye on that for the best trade. And in the meantime, I would appreciate if you smash the like button and don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Also join the free Telegram channel. You can find link below this video for more updated education and trade ideas. In addition, let us know if you have any question. Patience key. We were patient. We secured one trade. Now you can see exactly where we set our TP. Returned back very interestingly. Now we have now, as you can see, it's dropping back to that support. Now there could happen anything dramatic today because of the end of the week. Okay, euro dollar finally dropped, as I mentioned. So here are also running another trade on euro dollar, which also will be securing the profit when needed. So let it drop first. While we can see that gold is in a level where at the moment it may just keep pushing down, or we'll see that breakout again. So we need to be sure about this trade. It's the 1 hour price action. We have to be a little more patient here. You guys with me? Let me know if you have any question. You can use the live chat.
Please mind the gap.
There's no gap opening here. No gap, isn't it? Is there any gap? No. Okay. Guys, have you smashed the like button yet? Okay. Here we can see after break of this low, it's bouncing back to the upside again. We see some volatility coming. We need to see that volatile. Okay, so 30 minutes candle. This is a very strong liquidity grab. I think the price action, I see that potential is still bullish. It is possible for a complete breakout, but until we can see very strong momentum, I have to wait for that. Thank you. Hi, Coach, welcome. Thank you. What is the reasonable percentage of profit per month from trading? It depends on what kind of trading style you have. I think the reasonable percentage in trading is break even. If you can become break even, if you can stay break even in trading, then you survive. And if you survive, then there is a big blowout possible as a trader. Okay, big move possible, because when you become very good at it, you see the market very clearly, and 1-2 trades will give you everything that you need. So another reasonable way is not to blow out. So if you can stay break even, not blowing out, you are good to go. Thank you. Welcome. Awesome, thank you. What is the diamond pattern? The pattern that looks like diamond is a diamond pattern. And also there is another pattern, new pattern. This is a fish pattern. We'll be also discussing on that. Stick till the end of this live session. Also there is a giveaway of liquidity candle, one liquidity candle giveaway along with the one lifetime access to the academy. To enter into the competition, stick till the end of this live session along with the live trades. Also there will be a lot to take from here. Can it drop up to 2500? 2500. If it is bearish, then I think the trend is up, so I don't see that a drop to 2500 creating series of high low. Potential for upside is higher because what is going up is likely to go up. That's the law of trading. So we will be biased, as you can see. That's why my trade was on buy and we secured some profit. Always staying with the flow is the wisest idea that you can do, the best thing you can do. Okay, you can see that here. And with that 1 minute candle, okay, you can see that drop again. Okay, if it turns to be bearish, because it's almost at the end of the month, it is possible for an unusual breakdown like that on gold, but I'm not saying that it's gonna not gonna happen, or I'm saying that it's gonna happen. But if we see that's happening, yeah, we'll be taking some opportunity, absolutely. But so far we see that there is a break of structure at the moment on the 1 minute chart. So if you look at the 4 hour, seeing the break of support, what it is trying to do. So it has broken this order block that we talked about, and okay, Euro USD is keep pushing down. We are on a trade on Euro dollar. Our TP target on Euro dollar is at 1.10519, and there is a doji here. I have also posted the VIP analysis and updates on the group. So if you guys are on the group, then you should be able to see why I predicted that Euro dollar to be bearish. It's a great education. You can look at that. I would recommend you to always go through all the posts that I am posting. That will help you to understand, learn, and grow as a trader. Honest, I really love the way you do your love trading. Very simple. Yeah, simplicity is the best, because in fact, when we trade, we don't have huge time to make our trading decision. We need to do it in a fastest way, and that is why having a strategy which is simple is the best. Okay, that's why all my strategy that I'm teaching in the academy, many of you know that, is the simple and easy to follow along. All the rules are easy, and also The tools also help us to understand when to take the trading decision. Along with the strategy, you can exercise the tool, the premium indicator, that one of my favorite trading strategy. So having a strategy and also having that strategy to help you, to guide you, to make it simple is much important. And at the same time, it's important that you also develop a very strong trading psychology. It's another very important aspect of becoming a good trader. So stick till the end of the session to learn more and grow as a trader with us. Just looking at here on the lower time frame to see how it is doing. So 1 minute chart. I think that it might now try to bounce a little bit to the upside. Okay, here is the way the price action is forming on gold. It might trend in that direction. We'll see, because as I mentioned, it's the last day of trading week and month. We might see a wild movement, and waiting for that to happen. Let's see where it is heading. Oh, thank you. Welcome. Okay, is it trying to bounce back up, or it's breaking below that? Until we understand that, have to be patient here. Okay, we see 1 minute bearish candle. So the market looks like that short term potentially could turn to be bearish. This support possible to break in that direction. So if it managed to break the support, where we can expect it to come? Thank you. Welcome, guys. And the euro dollar has made significant drop. I will be taking profit on euro dollar, which is running in good profit, because it might go up for another pullback. I want to secure that profit on euro dollar. So I've secured here 13p on euro USD. So this is a VIP trade that I have posted early today. So also let me quickly analyze that trade as well on euro dollar. Many of you have probably taken this trade from this live session, which is completely fine. So if we look at so these are the trade that I have posted early today. This is gold. Why is the euro dollar? That one is euro. So if we look at that trade on euro dollar, we sold at 1.1079. Stop loss was 1.10963 and TP target at 1.10.519. This is also the trade that I have shared in the group with full explanation. Now we can see that here you can see there's a long week candle. There's another this doji basically this is a news candle, and with this doji formation we have seen a massive rejection creating series of lower high. The trend is down, so we expected euro dollar to break below, and it did that. That's a very good progress on that. So two trades today. One is gold so far, 1 euro dollar. Both of them we have successfully closed with the profit. Now at the moment we will be looking at, if you look at gold again, I would like to see that what it is trying to do. Is it changing the direction, or it is just waiting for another bounce? So once we see the directional confirmation or bias, we can look for further entry opportunity. How are you doing, guys and girls? Let me know in the live chat if you have any question. This is one of the best Forex channel I have ever come across on YouTube. Thanks for your appreciation. Yeah, we try to do our best to help every trader coming on the channel as well as coming on the academy to give our best. And yeah, also open to feedback. You guys and girls also helping the channel a lot. Thank you for your support. Always appreciate that. Were you in trade with Eurusd? Yeah, we closed. I closed the trade on euro dollar. How do you get confirmation to long with? How do you get confirmation to go long with? I love your strategy. Thanks for loving the strategy. And also everyone, also you can try to find your own strategy. Okay, so this is the ultimate goal of a trader, to find his own strategy. You see, the strategy that the liquidity that I'm teaching and I'm trading is my, like, when I begin, I traded my mentor's strategy. Okay, but I don't use my mentor's strategy this day. Even I even don't know if this strategy currently works or no, because long time I didn't trade on that strategy. So this is the journey of a trader. Today you trade mentor's strategy, learn it, and then find your own strategy. How do you find your own strategy? It's a question, right? Observe. So observation changes everything. So now observe more and more, give yourself more and more time, be curious. So when you become curious, you started to see the unseen part of the chart. So, and then you started to find more and more pattern that you can try, different strategy, back test it, optimize it, and then it becomes your strategy. It takes a little bit time, but it's a freedom, isn't it? And yeah, let's see here what we can see on gold lower time frame price action. This is not a very nice market yet. After the news, still not trending nicely. Before the news it was good, and we have taken the full that move. You see, this is the move, that the best one, and we have taken that. And yeah, that's how it is. We'll be waiting for further entry. And also all the strategy, I have learned since the beginning of my trading career till now, all of them available for you to learn, and all of them on the website currently. So there are some of the strategy currently also being updated, will be coming on the website. So if you are our member in the academy, you can go to the website and then log in to the dashboard, in your student dashboard, where you can find all the strategies on a video format. Go through the course, learn and grow as a trader, which is very important. And it's important that you pay full focus on your growth as a trader. And also little bit of support by smashing the like button. And probably you are following us for a long time, didn't subscribe to the channel, I would recommend you to do so. That will help you to grow as a trader with me every single day with all the educational content that I'm posting. Don't miss out to join the free Telegram channel as well. There is many education also given on the free Telegram channel. Okay, so here we need to understand what gold is trying to do. 4 hour candle closed. Let's see, let's still hit this is the daily price action so far. Is it going for a sideway? Going for a sideway. I don't see yet. We will be looking to see Gbpusd. Here we can see the downside. Euro dollar. Euro dollar looks to me that we might see further downside on euro dollar, which we can see that after 2 long week candle, euro dollar setting for further potential downside. And along with gold, this is a choppy area on gold on the 4 hour. After this big trend, we saw the choppy market structure. Thank you. Okay, so in this area, it's we need to see the support completely broken if we want to see the trend. I think because with the NY session, we should see further increased volatility on gold. This is what we are waiting for. Do you think that gold is going to break the support?
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir.
Are you sure? Let's see. If you look at here, what you can see, this is a 1 hour support level, right? How can you say that support is broken? If we see that this is the newly open candle, and what we can see, the market currently coming below that 1 hour support. If this candle closing below, if the market break that support, in that case, you see this is a resistance long term. As a rule of thumb, it should be breaking to the upside, but before breaking to the upside, we could see that um, a break of support. That if that's the case, we might see sudden drop here and potentially increased volatility. We could see that. We'll be waiting on that. See what happened. Liquidity, yeah. Any idea, dollar CAD? Yes, we will be looking at that. Thank you. Yeah, dollar CAD, we will be looking at that. So if we look at the dollar CAD, okay, we can see the dollar CAD. There is a bounce on dollar, so that moved the dollar CAD to the upside. So if you look at DXY, okay, we can see that as I mentioned also in the previous analysis, probably in the weekly Forex forecast, and we yesterday's analysis also we discussed about that. We have seen that DXY, it's there is an inverted head and shoulder, so that's a potential change of trend. So basically that's might lead gold to drop down, being a mirror of DXY. So you can see that bounce on so primarily we have seen a potential break of support. So you can see that break of support. Would like to see how the market is evolving. Now finding an entry in this area is very important. If we look at um, this is 1 minute chart, and with this 1 minute price action, you can see drop and again return back. We might see even a change of trend. We might see a bounce from 202509. First, we need to see that it's dropping to the 2509, because today the market might behave very unpredictably. So because it's a long term uptrend, it might just go back to the daily support also possible. Um, this is the 4 hour candlestick pattern, and you can see there is a, if it is breaking that support, suddenly we might see a move here, which is possible to see that the market is dropping, or we might see a completely choppy market, which is also possible to see. You can see it's currently in the 1 minute chart, it's fully choppy. Like the euro dollar is trending, euro dollar is just keep pushing down, while so gold 1 minute, you can see it's just a narrow choppy market. So this is the 5 minutes price action as well. A big drop. Okay, so the 5 minutes candle forming a long wick. This is a potential bearish. So I was waiting to see potential sudden breakdown on gold. Are you guys with me to see the best one again? And GBPJPY, yeah, GBPJPY has broken below the support to the daily support. Yeah, gold has broken below. Okay, now that drop might lead this price to certain degree here. Okay, this is the 4 hour, and it might be suddenly a drop and then continuation to the upside. So a pin bar. Okay, looks like that gold is grab that liquidity and preparing for potentially upside possible. This 5 minutes candle is, if this one is closing like that as a healthy body with a long wick at the bottom, this might be considered as a very strong liquidity candle in this from this support, may take that price back to the upside again. Okay, so we'll be waiting for that to see. And if gold started to move in one direction very aggressively later today, we might see a complete bounce in this market as there is a monthly candle closing. So if we look at GBP/JPY and euro dollar is downtrend, is in a downtrend. Gold is having a primary rejection. Being cautious is very important. Last day of trading week is very important in terms of um, market volatility. This is the 1 minute chart. I think it's gonna potentially move back to the resistance line, potentially, the way it is forming the price action. We are nearing to the giveaway. I'll still be trading throughout the New York session. Today is very important day, guys. Stay active, and after this one we will be also trading in the VIP live trading room. If you want to join the live trading room on the group as well, you can find link below this video. So let's begin the giveaway that we will be announcing every day to take one member from this live session to the giveaway liquidity candle, as well as to join the mentorship. So thank you. I will be still not started yet, so let's begin the keyword, like regular keyword, which is liquidity. We'll be writing here. So if you write liquidity, you will be entering into the competition. Thank you. You can write liquidity in the live chat to be entered into the competition of being into the competition for giveaway. So gold looks like that is trying to form a bullish market structure in that area. So you might see that. We'll see what happened. And once we find that entry, we'll be looking to enter. Thank you. We got 17 eligible member to join into the competition for the liquidity candle. And also, guys and girls, don't hesitate to join the free Telegram channel, link below this video, along with all the updates that I share in the free Telegram channel. Thank you. So we have found 21 eligible member. So we'll be rolling it up very soon. I think gold might bouncing back to the upside, so we'll see that what's happening. Thank you. We found 24 eligible member for the giveaway. You can write down the live chat, liquidity on the live chat, to be in the competition of liquidity candle. Thank you. We found 25 eligible members to be in the competition. So we found 25 member. I'm going to roll it at the moment. So Tabiso, congratulations, Tabiso Redebi. Probably I'm very poor in pronouncing the names, but Tabiso Redebi, congratulations for joining, being part of the liquidity candle as well as the lifetime membership in the academy. Congrats for your winning, and you can visit the website. You can find link below this video and use the contact us page to send your email so that we can include you to the liquidity candle as well as to the mentorship. And with that said, it's almost we are almost at the end of the week. It was another great week. Okay, so if we quickly review the week, a big one. So with the monthly, we are 822 pip, which is not bad at all, as we'll be starting another month on Monday. Would like to start another great month, and it's almost weekend. I believe that traders, you enjoyed this whole week, all our live sessions. If you enjoyed, make sure you are not missing out by staying with us by subscribing to the channel. Also, don't miss out to join the free Telegram channel. I'm giving you the link in the live chat for the free Telegram channel. So you can join that free Telegram channel, link below this video. And also, in addition to that, any question, anytime, you can use the website to ask if you have any question at any point. So with that said, have a good weekend, trade safe. I will still be active until the end of the NY session, and will give you updated on the group. Thank you. We'll see you soon.